Good evening students, welcome to my YouTube channel World of Mathematics. So in the previous video of the set lesson we have solved exercise 1.1. Now in today's video we are going to learn about empty set, finite and infinite set and equal sets. Okay, so before I begin with the video, I would request everyone who is watching this video to please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video then to please press like button. Okay, and if you all have any difficulty in the video, then you all can post your doubts and queries in the comment section. Okay, so let's begin with the video. Now the first topic which we are going to learn is the empty set. Now when we call that a set is empty, okay, a set which is having no elements inside it is known as a empty set. Okay, I will not write the definition as the definition is there already on your textbook. Okay, so I will not write the definition, I will only explain. Okay, so a set which is having no elements inside it is known as an empty set. Now what is the example of empty set? Now one example could be, okay, a equal to x such that x is studying presently in both 11th and 12th standard. Okay, but we know that no student can learn simultaneously in both 11th as well as 12th standard. Okay, so in this case we will be having a empty set. Okay, so another example we can take as second one, b equal to x such that x square minus 2 equal to 0 and x is a rational number. Okay, now when we will solve this x, okay, x square minus 2 equal to 0, what we will get? We will get x equal to square root of 2, and this is not a rational number, this is a irrational number. So here also our set is empty. Okay, so more examples we will see when we will solve the exercise problems. Okay, so now this empty set is denoted by the symbol this. Okay, we call it as a phi. Empty set is also known as a null set or void set. Okay, so this was about the empty set. Now next we have is a finite set and infinite set. Okay, now what do we mean by a finite set? Now a set having a fixed number of elements is known as a finite set. Okay, now suppose we are taking an example of a finite set. Okay, so first finite set, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this set is having a fixed number of elements, therefore this set is a finite set. Okay, now let us take one more example, 1 2 3 dot 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 dot. Okay, now here this dot represents that there are more numbers after 3. Okay, that means this list is going to continue further and further and further, and we don't know what is the last number. That is the meaning of this dot. Okay, therefore this set is not having a fixed number of elements. We don't know how many fixed elements are there in this set. Therefore this set we call it as a infinite set. Okay, so both these examples were simple for finite and infinite set. Now here also, when we will solve the exercise problem, we will see more problems on this. Okay, so now these are just examples I am giving you all just to understand this terminologies, that is what do we mean by finite set or infinite set. Okay, and the third thing which we are going to see is equal sets. Okay, now this definition is clear from its word only, that is equal. Okay, now suppose we are having two sets A and B. Okay, we say that A is equal to B. Okay, set A is equal to set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B and every element of set B is also an element of A. Okay, that means suppose if we are having A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and suppose if we are having B equal to suppose 3, 2, 1 and 4. Now in A we have 1, in B also we are having 1, here we are having 2, here also we are having 2, now here we have 3, here also we are having 3, now here there is a 4, here there is also 4, and vice versa. Now here the order is not important. Now here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, now here 3, 2, 1, 4, but number of elements are same. Okay, order is not important, therefore this A is equal to B. Okay, and when A is not equal to B, we write it in this form, that is A is not equal to B. Okay, so in my next video we will solve the exercise 1.2. Okay, we are going to solve exercise 1.2, and in that we will solve more examples on the empty set, finite and infinite set, and on equal sets. Okay, so if you all have liked my video, then please press a like button and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you all have any difficulty in these three terminologies, then you all can post your doubts in the comment section. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, keep watching my videos.